Hello my chic stylers, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to do a review on a company called Soul Mama, and I wanted to do a review on a A6 cash stuffing binder that my sister got for me. Now this is something that I wanted for a while now, and I actually put it in my Amazon cart, but I didn't purchase it. She purchased it for me as a gift. So thank you, sis, for the purchase. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, you guys, and this is what the box looks like. It is so cute. It just says Soul Mama Ritual and Crafts. And I got the A6 binder in pink. So this is what the inside looks like. And then inside the box is a card that says, thank you. When you shop from a small business, you support a big dream. Thank you so much. This is so cute. And then in the back it says, Soul Mama, your order made our day. We hope this package makes yours. We'd love to hear your thoughts or see pictures. And then it has the website at Soul Mama Crafts, and it's all one word. So that's what that looks like. And then I'm gonna actually show you guys the A6 binder, because I'm so excited about this, you guys. So it came in this little bag and we're gonna open it up together. So this is what it looks like, you guys. And how cute is this? How cute is this? I love this pink color. I love it. So the inside looks like this. It has pockets on the sides, and then it has a big pocket on the other side, and it's a clasp. So it's a magnetic clasp that closes. So that's what that looks like, you guys. And then it comes with budget sheets, and this is what that looks like. These are the budget sheets that it comes with. It says category, starting balance, date, description, amount, and balance, and there's a few in here. Oh, this way you can put them in your envelopes just to keep track of how much you have. And then the thing that I'm most excited about, you guys, are the actual envelopes. So I'm gonna take this out of its plastic packaging, you guys. And there are 10 of these, and these are what they look like, but I'm gonna show you guys what each envelope looks like. And the reason why I'm so excited about these particular envelopes is that they've already come labeled, so I don't have to label anything. Everything is already labeled on here and good to go. So all I have to do is just start putting in my cash in whichever envelope that I want to use. So these are what the envelopes look like. So it came with an emergency envelope that looks like this, a savings envelope that looks like this, a debt envelope, a miscellaneous envelope, a self-care envelope, a gift envelope, a vacation envelope, a food envelope, a rent envelope, and then lastly, a utilities envelope. So these are so cute, you guys. They're plastic. And they just slide closed, just like a Ziploc bag. So that's what they look like. And like I said, there's 10 of these envelopes inside the box. And okay, so this is what I really loved about it, you guys. I'm just going on a sidebar rant. What I really loved about this is that everything is already put together for you. So you not only do you have your A6 binder, but you have the envelopes and you have the budget sheets. So how cool is that? And this was only, I want to say, $13.99. I'm gonna put the link below and the actual price so that you guys can see. But my sister purchased this on Amazon. So far, I'm loving it. I'm actually gonna put this binder together And if you guys want to see what that looks like and how I put the binder together, leave me a comment below and I will go ahead and make another video of me actually putting the binder together and just setting everything up. And then I can make another video of how I cash stuff. So this is the perfect gift, you guys. I cannot wait to get started on my cash stuffing journey. I'm so excited about this, you guys. It's like the little things. It's a new year, so me actually saving money and doing it this way seems like it's a great idea for me. So I love this. I'm going to start using it today, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. I know this is a short video, but I will be making more videos for you guys and just coming out with more content. So this was just a really quick video again about my A6 cash stuffing binder, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.